Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one Python program. So write a class called product. The class should have fields called name, amount, price, holding the product name, the number of items of the product in stock, and the regular price of the product. There should be a method get price that receives the number of items to be bought and returns the cost of buying that many items, where the regular price is charged for orders of less than 10 items. A 10% discount is applied for orders between 10 and 99 items, and a 20% discount is applied for orders of 100 or more items. There should also be a method called make purchase that receives the number of items to be bought and decreases the amount by that much. So that means, now we are going to write the program based on the class. That means what is the class name here? Product. So how to define a class in Python? Class space class name. Here the class name is product. So what is a class? So class is a combination of, what is a class means? Class is a combination of members and methods. In this problem they specifies that these three are the members. So one is name. So this is actually not a program, this is just a prototype. So directly we see the execution of this program. So name, another one is amount, another one is price. So name stores product name, for example in our case pen. So amount is nothing but products in the stock, for example I give 200. So that means 200 pens are available. And price is nothing but regular price to this product, for example each pen 5 rupees. And there should be two methods, one is get price, another one is make purchase. That means this class contains one get price method, another one is make purchase. Make purchase. Okay, so that means in this get price, what is the input they are giving? That receives the number of items. For example, here I entered 9. So that means for this 9 items, what is the cost? So what is the cost? 9 into 5. So that means 45 displays. And it displays that if you buy 10 to 99 items, you get 10% discount. If you buy 100 or more, you get 20%. This function displays these details. And when the user see these details, then he can make purchase. That means we can call the make purchase method. So what is in the make purchase? So it is also received the number of items. For example, 101. So 101 means you are going to give 20% discount. And similarly, if you order 50, then you are going to give 10% discount. If you order again 9 only, then you don't give any discount, 0% discount. Now we are going to see how it is executed.
Now we see the program. The class name is product and it have three fields. One is name, another one is items, another one is price. Name is stored to product name, items is stored to stock available, and price is regular price of the product. So example, here I give pen as a product name. So 200 is a stock and 5 is the regular price of pen. And in problem specification they are given that The class product contains two methods. One is get price, another one is my purchase. Now the user can enter number of pens he required. So you write enter number of pens you want to buy. I entered 9 here. So 9 is stored in this n and I call get price of 9. Now this function is called get price. So what this function contain? This function contains the regular price. So if I enter the value so less than 9, then it displays the cost of the product and it prints the, if you place above 9 items you get 10% discount, and if you place above 99 items you get 20% discount message it displays. For example, if I enter n as 15, then 10% discount is applied, it displays. After calculating the final cost and it displays another message, if you place above 99 items you get 20% discount message. If I enter the above 99, then automatically it calculates the 20% discount and apply it to the final cost and displays the cost after 20% discount. Now after execution of this function, you are going to call the my purchase. That means actual purchase is going now. Now again it displays enter number of pens you want to buy. So based on the analysis, so already we display some analysis based on his n. And if we enter 100, then we go to my purchase and we compare these three. If 100 less than 10, false. 100 greater than or equals to 10, true, and less than 100, false, go to here. 20% discount is applied. How we can calculate the final cost? So cost of the item and discount. Discount you are going to give 20%. So cost into 20 by 100, and the final cost equals to cost minus discount, and you can print the details. If I give 90, then that goes to this case. That means n greater than 10 and 90 n less than 100. So here we are going to give 10%. If you enter less than 10, then the final cost is n into self dot price only. There is no discount for less than 9. That's it. In this way you are going to execute this program. I hope you all are understand how to create a class. So how to define fields in the class, and so how to define functions in the class. Here my price and here get price and my purchase is the function, and this is the one constructor. The underscore underscore init underscore underscore is a constructor. So now we are going to see the execution of the program. So enter number of pens you want to buy. We are going to give less than 201. Why? Because we give the 200 as a stock. So in this case I give 9. Then it displays, so regular price is charged for your orders. If you place above 9 items you get 10%, above 99 you get 20%. Then it displays the message enter number of pens you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy 20 pens. So why? Because I get the 10% discount. Then it displays, so 10% discount is applied for your order. Actual cost 100, discount is 10 rupees and final cost is 90. We can see another case. So enter number of pens you want to buy. Again I want 9. It displays that the previous message. It displays the regular price and 10% discount and 20%. Now I order 100. So 20% discount is applied. Actual price 500, 20% discount 100 rupees, final cost 400. We see another case. Enter number of pens the 9. It displays, it is regular price for 9. If you order above 9 10%, above 99 20%. Enter number of pens you want to buy. Order only 9 only. Then regular price is charged for your order and final cost is 45.